Want to turn all of your leads into clients fast? I'm sharing the hidden formula I've been using to convert leads into loyal real estate customers in no time. Hey, I'm Shawn and I'm a social media coach for the Wolfpack at eXp Realty, and I'm also the founder of the Realtors Blueprint, which helps realtors generate non-stop leads even while in their sleep through Facebook ads. I've been generating leads for years and I've spent tens upon tens of thousands of dollars. I tried various different ways. I finally created a system that actually works. Now I'm excited to share it with you so you can do the same. First thing is immediate response. So we've all heard speed to lead, and it is very true. A lot of people, after over 5 minutes goes away, their interest starts to drop and they start to forget what they were even doing. In this day and age, there's so much information, so many things coming at them that they keep forgetting about what they did even 10 minutes ago. So if you have a lead come in, you need to be responding to them within the first 5 minutes. If you cannot do this, because it is pretty much impossible for every person in the world to do this because they have to sleep at night, they have to show homes, they have to be on phone calls with customers. It's impossible sometimes. So what you need to do is have a system where it's reaching out to them. This way, guaranteed, you know every single lead that you have come in is going to get a response within the first 5 minutes. You no longer have to worry about it, and this is going to drastically increase your chances of having a conversation with the lead. Next thing is building trust quickly. So you need to keep in touch with them, you need to keep following up with them, and you need to over deliver on your promises and then some. So most realtors, what they will do is they're looking for a sale today. If a lead is not interested, they're going to dismiss them and you likely won't talk to them again because the lead says they're not interested today. But those realtors that keep over delivering and promising value and giving more value are the ones that end up getting that customer in the long run. And one of the easiest ways to do this is through setting them up on your auto email. Auto email is something we all have at our disposal as realtors. It's very easy to set up, and after it's set up, we don't even rarely ever have to lift a finger. This thing's gonna send them new listings, it's gonna send them new solds, it's gonna keep them up to date on price drops, and they're gonna have a view into what's happening in the market, and they're gonna get emails from you all the time that is emails they actually want to see, and it's giving them information that they want. I mean, why would you not set somebody up on this? Even if they say they're not interested, they could be interested 2 years from now. And if they keep getting these emails from you all the time, it's going to help to build that reputation. It's going to help to keep you top of mind. And when they are ready to buy or sell, you have a heck of a lot better chance of having them as a customer now. And then my third thing beyond that is you need to be constantly in touch with them. So you need to have multiple touch points. It's not just good enough to message somebody once, and if they say they're not interested, that you forget about them. Because buyers are liars. They're always going to say they're not interested. But even if they're not interested today, it does not say they're not interested 6 months from now. So you've responded to them in the first 5 minutes. You've got them now convinced to set them up on an auto email. You've set them up, but it is not enough just to stop there. It might work, but you're leaving it to chance because they're not having enough of a conversation with you. Yes, they're getting emails from you all the time, but they're not having that conversation. Now that you've got them set up on an auto email, there's a much higher chance that they're going to respond to you. So now this is a great opportunity for you to come in and start messaging them or calling them to ask them, hey, how's that auto email working out for you? Is there any changes you would like to it? And it's another touch point. You're being consistent and it shows that you care and you honestly are thinking about them. And if there's no changes they want, they'll say no, but thank you for reaching out. And that's it. That's great. Another week or 2 weeks from now, or whatever the temperature of this lead is, you could reach out again. Hey, how's that auto email working out for you? Maybe this time they say, hey, well, thanks for reaching out. Actually, if you wouldn't mind bumping up the price a bit or changing this on the bedrooms, we like to see more bedrooms than what we had before. Again, it's starting that conversation. It's keeping you top of mind. It's another one of those touch points. You can never have too many touch points because for a lot of people, it can take 8 interactions before they really get to know, like, and trust you. And the more you can start trying to show that you care and you're trying to help them out, the better. It could just be even a small thing, like a new listing came up and it did not fit in their criteria because maybe it was just $5,000 above what they put their criteria as. You could send it off to them and say, hey guys, I saw this listing come up today. it made me think of you. I know you had your criteria only set up to 400, but this one came up for 405. So I was like, well, you never know if the people might negotiate. It was another option. So it made me think of you. I thought I'd better send it off because I knew it wouldn't be in your criteria. They're going to appreciate it. They're going to thank you. And again, this shows that you are thinking about them and you care. And this is a great way to build up your reputation, help you keep top of mind. So yes, you must always follow up with these people, be consistent. It's no different than like having a friend. You don't have a friend and meet them and have one interaction with them, never speak to them again and call them your bestie. It just does not work. The more you hang out together, the more you do things together, the more you become besties. We are trying to become besties with our leads and help them out. With this formula, you are going to be able to turn your cold leads into hot leads faster than ever before. It is going to take some systems in place and setting it up so you can respond to people and be reminded and message them. But really after that, it's not that hard. It's not hard for you to reach out to somebody, send them a quick text message. It is so easy. It's just we get caught up in the day-to-day. A lot of times we don't want to do it. We put it off and we're like, oh, I'll do it next week, next week, next week. And then by then you're like, oh, it's been like a year since I've reached out to them. I don't even know if I should reach out to them now because it's been so long. They're going to think I'm crazy and I'm going to look stupid for not messaging them before. So yes, keep on top of this all. And if you're wanting some ads that are actually going to bring you in leads so you can follow these systems, then make sure to comment with Facebook ads. I will send you a free copy of my guide of my 5 killer Facebook ads that have generated me 268 leads in just 7 days. And if this video was a benefit, please do me a huge favor. Make sure to give me a like, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell wherever it is, somewhere around here, to be notified of future videos that I post on Facebook ads. And again, thank you. I hope you have a great day. And until the next video, take care.